A 24-year-old is preparing to head to jail for his role in a deadly crash that happened back in 2022. Devin Perkins was speeding on State Road 44 in New Smyrna Beach when a wrong-way drunk driver crashed into him.
Right, and both drivers survived, but 3 passengers were killed, unfortunately, including Alexandra Dulin, a well-known TikTok influencer, better known as Ali Spice, on social media. Now, Channel 9 Volusia County reporter Demi Johnson, she's live right now outside of the courthouse in DeLand, and Demi, Perkins was originally facing 30 years.
Yeah, but his attorneys and the state attorney's office were able to come to an agreement, and a lot of that is because the victims' families in this case believe that Perkins had already served enough time. They said that the real criminal here was the wrong-way driver who hit them, and it was clear that people wanted that message to be heard today because the courtroom was at capacity.
Sentenced to 364 days in the Volusia County branch jail, with credit for how much time in, Shelby?
162 days, Your Honor.
With credit for 162 days in.
That means 24-year-old Devin Perkins will only have to spend 202 more days in jail for his role in the death of 3 people in a 2022 wrong-way crash. Investigators say he was driving more than 100 miles an hour when a drunk driver, 55-year-old Thomas Petrie, collided with him on State Road 44. Petrie was sentenced to 37 years last November. Perkins' girlfriend, 21-year-old Alexandra Dulin, who is known on TikTok by nearly 1 million followers as Ali Spice, was killed. 2 other passengers in his car, 25-year-old Kyle Mosher and 20-year-old Ava Fellerman, also died. Fellerman's dad joined Perkins' sentencing via Zoom and said he's already suffered enough.
I believe Devin has a chance in life and he should be given that. And him going to a state penitentiary will not facilitate that at all.
While he won't spend much time in jail, the terms of Perkins' agreement are steep. He'll be on house arrest for 1 year after he's released, followed by 9 years on probation. During that time, he won't be able to have a driver's license. Perkins gave a brief statement to the court to share again how sorry he was for what happened.
I'm grateful for the compassion that the families have showed me, and I hope that today brings closure for everybody involved.
And another condition of Perkins' agreement is he can't appeal his sentence, he doesn't qualify for early release, or he can't get off probation any earlier than what was originally agreed to. Live in DeLand, Demi Johnson, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.